Hey boys and girls, today for your work, everything's going to be under classwork, so make sure you're in this tab right here. Everything except for Mrs. Austin announcements, those will still be in your stream up at the very top. So make sure you go to the stream to listen to Mrs. Austin's announcements. Everything else today is going to be in our classwork, and I'll be under the column of Friday, April 10th. So of course you have your daily check-in, which you've already noticed because you're watching this video. After you check in, make sure in your response you answer my question for the day. And then for math, I have two activities for you today. One is to watch my video and practice making the designs out of the tangrams. I want you to make at least 3 different designs, take screenshots of all your designs, then use PicEDU to make a collage of all your designs. Save the pic collage to your camera roll and send it into the Friday Padlet. And then I also want you to work on iReady Math. Those are your 2 activities for math today. For ELA today, if you have not finished your pen pal letters, please make sure that gets done today because I would like to be able to send them off to our class in California. They are doing online school as well, so their teacher will pretty much hand them to their students the same way that I gave them to you boys and girls, which would be through Google Classroom. But your activities for reading that I want you to do, your reading assignment is to find a new place to read. I want you to find a place in your house or your yard where you have never read before, or create a new space to read a book of your choice. You should be able to read on Epic as long as it is during school hours, so between 8 o'clock and 3 o'clock, 8 a.m. to 3 p.m., the times you normally would be at school. Epic should be available to you. If you don't have a book, let me know and I can send you one through Google Classroom. Have someone take a picture of you in your new reading space and send it into the Padlet. Read for at least 10 minutes out loud in your new space. For writing today, I want you to write about something that matters to you. You all have thoughts and opinions about different things. I want you to tell me about it. You can write for at least 5 minutes or as long as you want to. You could write for 20 minutes, 30 minutes. I just want you to write about something that's important to you. And then your handwriting today is lesson 13. After today's lesson, we will have learned how to write all the uppercase and lowercase cursive letters. So the next week we'll start practicing to write sentences. And then, of course, we have Cakes in Space, Chapter 10, Part 1. It's a very long chapter. It's like 30 pages long. So we're going to break it up into about 3 different parts. So my question for you today is, if you listen to Cakes in Space, how would you feel if giant cakes were trying to eat you? So make sure you comment below. Once again, this is where we will check in for today. And, your question. What happens when you throw a green rock into the Red Sea? Have a good day, boys and girls.